Lady Enchantress Garden, rocking up in a wet look. Just came out of the shower. Today I'm gonna share to you some of my aroids and or philodendron plants. Well, let's just call them aroids because not all aroids are philodendron. And note that some of them are not really in good shape because I did one of the worst decisions in my life, is to cut this big branch of tree right here and then makes the afternoon sun really here and expose my aroids, which is not really an ideal sunlight setting for aroids. And half of these plants that I own are still in my parents' house in Cebu City because of logistics and permit issues. So the big ones like Black Majesty, Dark Lord, Tricolor are still there. So anyways, let's go into the details one by one, and some of them you have seen already in my video, so let's go. So let's start with that one. That is a Paraiso Verde. You have seen that and I have reviewed that already before, and now that is really taller than me. Maybe I can take a picture of myself and how tall this is. Like, now I cannot even reach like some of this leaf, and it was leaning towards this side, but I think it's better to lean towards its friends and families in the wild. So that's the Paraiso Verde. This one right here is a Thai constellation. You have seen me making videos out of that. At the back is a very unhappy Monstera Tetosperma BIRKINS. The one with the yellow and orange there is called Koli Makoli. That is a combination of, I think, Prince Albert and Tricolor. This one, this violet one, is called prayer plant, Doti. I think it's called Calathea Doti. Yeah, it's a kind of prayer plant together with this one, which is an orbifolia. I don't even know why I have a prayer plant here. And this one is a Philodendron Fat Belly, also called as Fat Boy. That is still very expensive until now. I don't know really why in the plant community. This one is, I haven't reviewed this and I would like to review that because I don't think a lot of people have that. That is a Philodendron Red Heart. This one right here, who loves the wall and who has flowers that just bloom. That's the second flower for this plant. That is a reverted Philodendron Florida Beauty. I have a Florida Beauty like a variegated here, but it's somewhere else. So these are just like, you know, what I can see around in this property, and I put them all together. So I have it done with a wall, but I would like to put something there, like some white stones. But anyways, here is a very thirsty looking, what do you call this? Monstera Borsellana Alba. Oh my god, how can I forgot? And usually this is like really all over, but I was able to train it like really nicely, neatly, that it can stand on its own. I know there's a soap there just in case I wanted to wash something. And that one here under that has been a subject of burning, like leaf burn, is a photos and an aroid called Manjula. This one, a very unhappy one, the most unhappy burned plant here. Don't know. I think I need to keep it somewhere for now. Is a Pink Princess dark form, because there's two types of Pink Princess and I would like to put that in another video. This is another rare plant called Variegated Monstera Peru. This is another Philodendron BIRKINS. The other one is there, see that? And this one is here, a bit bigger, beautiful. I haven't made video of them yet, but probably soon. This is actually one of the philodendrons that a must have, like for me, if you don't want to own so many. This is a Pink Princess marble form, so I have a bit pink here. I was actually having this in a very nice formula of fertilizer, but then I just choose to be organic, and then I think it didn't really like it. Likes to be, you know, fed so well, so maybe I'm gonna bring that back in. And this one is a variegated Monstera Adansoni. This is also a very expensive plant still, I think, until now. A variegated version of the Swiss cheese plant. So I got holes. It's from the family of the Monstera. That is another Koli Makoli. This is White Princess. and that is the black version of the ZZ plant. You know already that I have a lot of ZZ and I love ZZs. And this one here is a ZZ Zenzi, or also called as dwarf ZZ. The rest of the ZZs are still in front, the variegated and the normal ZZ. So this is my mini forest. Not my mini forest, but my mini aroids section right here. There is still a lot actually in front, but this one I have like really properly positioned them for now. So yep, I will review one by one each of them in terms of care and growth and then what to expect. But this one is so beautiful. Thanks, bye.